Philippines, and hello University of Makati. Hello guys! Nakapag-breakfast ba ang lahat? Hindi pa po. Alright, don't worry, we'll be giving you a bit of snack later. Alright! Gusto niyo yun? Alright. We need that kind of energy, you guys. Once again, I would like to say again, hello University of Makati! Ayan, kasi mag-audition na sa PBB, you know? Baka meron dito yung next big winner natin.